In a recent interview with Vulture, musician and entrepreneur Quincy Jones revealed that Richard Pryor and Marlon Brando were once lovers. Richard Pryor's widow, Jennifer Lee, has confirmed that her husband and Brando, who was openly bisexual, did indeed have relations in the 1970s.
Quincy's also claiming that Michael Jackson used to steal music, including Billie Jean, which part of it was from an old Donna Summer song. He claimed that Michael Jackson never had vitiligo and that Michael Jackson was very stingy. Then he goes on to allege at Vulture.com that Marlon Brando had sex with author James Baldwin, Marvin Gaye, and Richard Pryor. Well, Richard said in his book that, there was a point in his life where he was sexually fluid. His widow has confirmed this. But why are you talking? Let's talk about your sex life with your pursed lips.
Hey, I'm up here reading this goddamn Quincy Jones interview. This nigga wildin', bro. This nigga said Marlon Brando fucked James Baldwin, Marvin Gaye, and Richard Pryor. The fuck was going on in the 70s, man?
The next day, just don't tell them about my Robson. Next time, Pa was with me once when I first fucked my first faggot. And he's been holding that over my head for 2 years. I fucked a faggot. I just want to say it now so nobody else can tell. I liked it. I would have married him, but he had to go away and get an operation. I'd like to move now, Pop. You don't mind?